Great morning, great day, great whatever it is in your area, my revivers. Welcome back. If you're new to the channel, the way that you can join my family is by subscribing, and it doesn't cost you a thing. So let's hit that subscribe button and hit the notification bell so you're notified every time I load a new video. I am trying to work with the schedule to see if it's 3 times a week for me, 2 times a week, if it should be early afternoon, late afternoon, I don't know. So just work with me, but you don't want to miss it. So that's why you should hit that notification bell. So I'm going to be sharing another hack. This is a laundry hack. And guys, let me tell you something. If you have not done your research on dryer sheets, I've stopped using those several years ago, and I've been using the wool balls in my dryer, which helps my clothes to stay static free and it helps them to dry faster. I think I did a video and a review on them. If I forget, remind me to put it down in the description box. But today I'm coming to you because those dryer sheets have been recalled in several different companies because they cause cancer and lots of other damage. Which one is, they have a waxy film on them. You don't know that because it's very light, very subtle. But that waxy film is what can break down the sensor in your dryer. Not only break down the sensor in your dryer, if it's an old school dryer, it can break down the motor in the engine or the motor in your dryer, because that wax melts and it gets distributed around the drum, and then it solidifies around the motor in different areas in your dryer, so that you don't want to ruin your investment, right? So we're going to show you how I do my dryer sheets, DIY dryer sheets. This, what I'm showing you, is going to last you 6 months to a year, and I'm not joking. I'm not joking. This right here is going to last you forever, like years, okay? No joke, Google it. There's lots of videos, lots of people, Pinterest, hacks, all of that about how to do this and get rid of those dryer sheets, and these will last so long. So let's get into the video. It's really quick, really simple. Let's jump in. So first thing you're going to need is some sponges. Make sure you get sponges without any Brillo abrasion on it. Regular sponges. I got these sponges from, I think my guy got these from Walmart. Yeah, Walmart, because they didn't have, he didn't go to Dollar Tree, and he ended up finding these at Walmart. Regular sponges like this, no abrasion on them. And what you're going to do is cut them in half. So I'm going to do that to save time, and I'll be right back. Boom, cut in half, regular scissors, nothing major. Container from Dollar Tree or container that you may already have. And all you're going to do, now I have the Unstoppables here because I like to add a little bit of a different scent to it. So I already have 4 cups of water right here. So for every 4 cups of water, you want a cup of your fabric softener of choice. And guess what, guys? Yes, you can use Suavitel from Dollar Tree. I just had this. That's why I'm using it. And there was no need to go buy that just to show that, because I already have it. That would be a waste, right? So I'm going to fill up this. And I'm going to... You don't need the... So 1 cup is what we need. And we're going to put that 1 cup in there just like that. And actually just let it do its thing. And now all you do is you sink your sponges. That's why I got gloves on. Inside this concoction, like so. And I'm going to allow these to get all in this goodness. Just like this. And every one of these, let me tell you, this is all you do. Let me get all this goodness out of here. Matter of fact, I'm so anal about getting all the residue out and not wasting anything. Yeah, I'm so anal about that. So there. Now, we have all of our, let me put this right here, our sponges in here, and they shall sit. And guess what? When it is time to wash your clothes, you grab one of these bad boys, wring it out as much as you can. Clothes are kind of, well, you don't have to wring it all the way out, because see, I still have some. Wring it out as much as you can, and you throw it in your dryer. Now, if you wanted to add some extra smell to it and all that goodness, you can put a little bit of those in there and change the scent. But that's it. You leave that in your washroom. Do not get a screw on top, because it will irritate you when you need to get them out faster. Throw them in the dryer. Do not use a screw on top. And once you wring it out, even in your hand, just wipe it on your clothes and throw it inside of your dryer. And that is it. Those are your reusable. I might consider getting another container. I don't know where the container is I used before some time ago. You ever had something that you did and you're like, wait a minute, why am I not doing that anymore? So yeah, this is something I wanted to share. This Dollar Tree container is not as good as I thought, but it's gonna work for this purpose at this moment. Until I find something better, I'll probably switch it over. But yes, that is all you do, guys. I am not making this up. This is something you can Google. There are lots of people who use this and save money with dryer sheets, and this will last you several months. Several months. Take away that toxicness and you don't have to worry about ruining your investment. So if this was helpful for you, please thumbs up, please share the video, and make sure you join my family by subscribing to the channel, hitting the notification bell. So like I said, you're notified when I load videos like this that save you a dime and show you how to and to DIY. All right? Talk to you later, Gators.